I have something to show you. Only a sip? You might need it later.
Too much vorticity, not enough aeration, and industrial cleaner?
Give me the briefcase.
No, you won't take this.
Ah, my eyes!
Hey!
Haven't you heard the old saying, a pen is mightier than a gun?
Ta. Next time.
Give me the briefcase! Here you go then.
There's always a lamp.
Give me the briefcase.
You know, your smile looks so conducive to conversation, or should I say, conductive. Anyone else? No? Good. Sorry about that. Great to see you. Before I forget, I should tell you that this practice session only contains questions, not answers. The reason for this is that IELTS examiners mark people down who recite memorized answers. It is a better challenge for you to practice answering by yourself without any prompts, especially considering they would like you to talk for as long as possible. Instead, listen to the question, pause the video, practice answering it for as long as you can, then press play and continue to the next question. Remember, it is okay to be interrupted by the examiner for speaking too long. It is not really okay to stop speaking before the examiner stops you. Let's begin with IELTS practice test number 154. Hi, my name is Jason, and I'm your examiner today. Can you tell me your full name, please? What would you like me to call you? May I see your ID, please? It's just a security precaution. Thank you. All right, let's start. Where are you from? How do you feel about being in crowded places? Are there many crowded places in your city? Which places are usually the most crowded? Is there a crowded place that you don't mind visiting? Do you try to avoid crowds, or does it depend on the situation? Has your city become more or less crowded in recent years? Great. Now, let's move on to the individual long turn. I'm going to give you a card now with details about your topic on it. You have 60 seconds to make some notes about the questions on the card, then 2 minutes to speak about it. Here is your topic. Describe a folktale that is popular in your country. You should say where or how you first heard it, what the folktale is about, who the main characters are, what lesson or message the story communicates, and why the folktale is memorable or important to you. Great. I'm going to ask a follow-up question now. Do you think this story still matters to young people today? Why or why not? Good. Now let's move on to some more complex questions. Why do you think children enjoy listening to stories? What kinds of stories are most popular with children? Do you think stories play an important role in a child's development? Is it better to tell children stories or read books to them? Why? Can adults also learn something from folk tales? Why or why not? How have digital platforms changed how children consume stories? Do you think traditional stories change over time? Why? How can schools help preserve traditional stories and storytelling? Excellent work. That is the end of the IELTS practice test. I'm sure you did quite well. I recommend practicing with at least 20 videos from the collection and speaking for as long as possible with each question. Then practice again and make the answers more succinct and detailed with higher level vocabulary. Then practice again with the goal of speaking your sentences faster with more complex vocabulary. Practice for at least 2 weeks before the exam. If you find time to put aside 2 whole weeks and practice a listening, reading, writing, and several speaking tests every day without fail, you'll have a better chance of getting the score you want in IELTS. Anyway, I wish you all the best in your speaking practice test. Good luck! Oh, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.